Alright guys, welcome back. Let's see how you did. So, if Q between R and T, RT equal 24 centimeter and QR 6 centimeter, and they want to know what QT is. Okay, again, it's helpful to draw a picture of it. So let's draw that picture. We know that Q is between R and T. So right here, that's correct. RT is 24, so from here to here is 24. And let's see, QR right here is 6. So they want to know what's QT. Some can do this in your head correctly, but in here we want to show work. We want to prove that it's actually what the number is. So we know that RQ plus QT is equal to the whole pieces here, RT. So substitute in 6, QT we don't know what it is, but we know that RT is 24. So a little bit algebra, we need to get rid of the 6 here. The opposite of that is -6. We need to do it to both sides here. So -6 to both sides. So now QT is equal to 18. Yes, some of you guys can do this in your head, but you have to show work and show me that you actually know the process of it. Okay, so that way you can figure it out. If there's any mistake, I can give you partial point. Let's take a look at number 2 here. P is between L and A. PL is equal to x plus 4, PA equal to x minus 1, and LA is 12 inches. So let's draw that picture here. So we know that P is between L and A. Let's see, PL, so PL is x plus 4, so this part is x plus 4. PA is 2x minus 1, so 2x minus 1. And then LA is 12 inches, so LA, so from here to here is 12. We just use the segment addition postulate, so LP plus PA equal LA. LP, we label that x plus 4, plus PA here, 2x minus 1 equal LA, which is 12. These two x's on the same side, let's combine them like terms, so you get 3x here. So that's 1x, that's 2x, together give you 3x. We have 4, -1, another like term, that gives you 3, equal 12. And now we go ahead and do two-step equation. We need to get rid of this 3 here. So the opposite of positive 3 is -3 to both sides here. So now you have 3s equal 9. To get rid of the 3 in front of the x, we're going to have to do division. So s equals 3. And the question is asking for x, so that's our final answer. If they ever ask you what PA is or PL is, just take this and substitute it in, and you can find the length of PA and PL. Yeah, so hopefully you did good, because this is going to show up. Alright, let's take a look at the next page. So we got example 3 here. Before we go through example 3, there's a couple of notes I want to make sure you know. The word congruent means that it has the same shape. Okay, same shape. Okay. The symbol for congruent is the equal sign with a little wavy above it. That's the symbol for congruent. Now, if you have equal sign only, that means you're telling me that you're dealing with a number here. Because sometimes when you see the symbol of congruent and you see the symbol equal, this tells me I want the name of a shape, this tells me I want to do with number. Alright, so let's go back to example 3. Given that M is the midpoint of segment AB, again the key word is midpoint, complete each statement. So if MB equals 6, so 6 right here, and we know it's a midpoint, so we know that MB is same as AB. So I'm going to label that tick mark right here, showing that these two sides here, these two segments are the same. So we know that if this is 6, we know that this is also 6. Why? Because of the midpoint. The definite midpoint sits in the middle, and these two should be the same. Here we have segment AM and we have segment BM. We know they're both the same. Because talk about segment, they're talking about shape here, so we use the congruent symbol saying that they're the same. Over here, AM and BM, notice it's talking about number, it doesn't talk about segment. So here we're going to use the equal sign because we're dealing with number here. Now take a look at C here. AM equal. So are we dealing with the shape here, or are we dealing with the number here? Yeah, it's only equal sign, so we just deal with the number. So we say it's equal to 6. Okay? But if I talk about MB, segment MB, and that means that, oh, you're going to have to deal with the shape, so we go segment AM. Okay? So make sure you know the difference. This one, AB equal what? Well, let's see, AB. Well, we know this is 6. We know this is 6. So together, this should give us 12. If anybody asks how you did it, we should tell them this is segment addition postulate. We know that MM plus MB is equal to AB. Yeah? So what I want you to do is on the next example, give them a try, complete statement. So to give you a hint, you might want to draw this picture here so in order to answer them. In fact, I recommend you draw them a picture. You can show it to your teacher. If you think you got it, then go to the next video.